Traffic Genius. AI-powered traffic on demand. Traffic Genius is an AI-powered traffic generation system designed to help beginners and experienced marketers attract real visitors, leads, and buyers without technical skills or paid ads. Built for speed and simplicity, it enables users to start generating targeted traffic in as little as 24 hours, using automated faceless video content optimized for today's top platforms. Traffic Genius combines advanced AI video creation, proven viral psychology, and step-by-step training to eliminate the need for endless content creation or complex marketing funnels. Whether you are promoting affiliate offers, digital products, local services, or online businesses, the system works across multiple niches and platforms. With built-in automation, done-for-you templates, and expert guidance, Traffic Genius helps users build a consistent, scalable traffic engine that runs 24/7, making it ideal for anyone looking to grow online visibility and sales efficiently. Why choose Traffic Genius? Traffic Genius is the smart choice for anyone who wants fast, consistent traffic without technical headaches or expensive ads. It uses advanced AI to create high-converting, faceless videos that attract real visitors in as little as 24 hours, with done-for-you templates, built-in sales psychology, and step-by-step training. Even beginners can generate results quickly. Traffic Genius works across multiple niches and platforms, making it perfect for affiliate marketing, online businesses, and local services. Instead of struggling with slow traffic methods, you get an automated system that delivers free traffic 24/7 and scales as your business grows. What is Traffic Genius, and how does it work? Traffic Genius is an AI-powered traffic generation system designed to help users drive real visitors, clicks, leads, and buyers without relying on paid ads or advanced technical skills. The system works by using artificial intelligence to create high-converting, faceless videos that are optimized for engagement, visibility, and platform algorithms. These videos are designed to attract attention quickly and drive traffic to any website, offer, or business. Traffic Genius combines AI video creation, viral psychology, automation tools, and step-by-step training to simplify the entire traffic process. Users simply choose a niche or offer, generate videos in a few clicks, and publish or schedule them across multiple platforms. The system handles the heavy lifting, making traffic generation faster, more consistent, and scalable for beginners and experienced marketers alike. Who is Traffic Genius best suited for? Traffic Genius is ideal for beginners, entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, content creators, coaches, and online business owners who want consistent traffic without complex setups. It's especially useful for people who struggle with content creation, camera shyness, or technical marketing tasks, because the system is beginner-friendly and does not require prior experience. It's perfect for those starting their online journey. At the same time, advanced marketers can use Traffic Genius to scale faster by automating video production and traffic generation. It also works well for local businesses, agencies, and freelancers who want to attract customers online. Whether you are promoting affiliate products, selling services, growing a brand, or building an email list, Traffic Genius adapts to multiple business models and niches. Do I need technical skills or AI experience to use Traffic Genius? No technical skills or prior experience are required to use Traffic Genius. The platform is designed specifically for non-technical users, beginners, and busy entrepreneurs. Everything is guided step by step, from video creation to traffic deployment. The AI handles scripting, visuals, voiceovers, and optimization automatically. You don't need to know video editing, copywriting, SEO, or advertising. Training modules clearly explain what to do, what buttons to click, and how to apply the system effectively. Even if you've failed with online marketing before, Traffic Genius removes complexity and replaces it with automation and proven frameworks, making it accessible to almost anyone. How quickly can I start seeing traffic with Traffic Genius? One of the biggest advantages of Traffic Genius is speed. Many users can start generating traffic within 24 hours of setting up the system. Because the platform uses pre-optimized templates, built-in psychology triggers, and AI-driven video creation, you don't need weeks of testing or learning. Once you follow the Quick Start training, you can create your first video in minutes and begin publishing immediately. Results may vary depending on niche, consistency, and platform choice. But the system is designed to shorten the learning curve dramatically, unlike traditional SEO or paid ads that can take months to show results. Traffic Genius focuses on fast visibility and engagement using modern traffic strategies. For more details, click the link website given in the description and know the power of Traffic Genius. Thank you.